On to the second semi-final as Bengaluru from India, finalists last year, take on Istiklol from Tajikistan, who were losing finalists back in 2015. Stood out now to Jalilov. Fatullov and the far post coming in! What a bullet header from Dmytry Barkov, who said he doesn't get amongst the goals, but he has tonight. The big Russian. Sort of there, bounced awkwardly in front of him by Bengaluru, in on a flash. Sunil Jetri! Just wide of goal. Very direct in their approach. Istiklol falls now to Banchanbe. Good save, Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. This is Fatullov. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu having to use every single inch of that big frame. Volley, no foul. Jalilov in on it in a flash. And again, here they come, Istiklol. Manusher Jalilov plays it across goal. No one coming in for Istiklol. But again, just look how quickly they get the ball forward. Aliyev now. Coming at pace, lots of bodies coming forward for Bengaluru. Was there a handball in there? Chetri. Great save from Stosic. And that's gonna be it. It ends here, Istiklol 1, Bengaluru 0.